What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily and properly clean your dirty flat screen TV. Take it from this to this, where it's all nice and clean, fingerprint free, but the proper way with no damage to your TV. TVs are very expensive, right? So we want to keep them as nice as we can for as long as possible. So first things first, you do not want to use household cleaning products like Windex on your TV as much as you think that would be right, because it contains ammonia and alcohol, and that can damage your screen, especially the reflective layer. You also do not want to use wood-based cleaners like paper towels, tissue, toilet paper. That can also damage it and leave scratches. What you do want to use is a spray bottle with distilled water and a microfiber cloth. You want to make sure that you're using distilled water only, because your tap water has a bunch of chemicals in it that can also be very damaging to your flat screen TV. And I purchased this spray bottle at the Dollar Tree, so you can easily get one there. And then a microfiber cloth is not going to damage it because it's soft and has very soft fibers. So the first type of cleaning you want to do on your TV is called a dust cleaning, and you just want to very gently go back and forth, side to side, to get all of the dust that may be on your TV before you go in and do the removing of the fingerprints. Now, to get the fingerprints off, what you want to do is generously spray your microfiber cloth with the distilled water. Get it damp but not soaking wet, and then go in a circular motion wherever the spots are to remove them. And then you're going to want to take a dry part of your cloth and go back over it and to just wipe it clean. So kind of move your cloth to where it is dry and circular motion, go over it again. Now, sometimes you may have stains on your TV that are a little more difficult to get up. What you do is you put literally one tiny little drop of dish soap in your distilled water, and this is going to help get rid of those thick, greasy stains on there. I don't know, maybe you were eating pizza and went and touched the TV because you got excited or went to turn it off or something. So again, spray the microfiber cloth, and you can spray a little bit on the TV, and again, go in a circular motion and be very gentle. It looks like I'm being hard and aggressive because I have sped it up for you guys, but I'm not. I'm just going very slowly in a circular motion, and it is removing the more thicker grease stains that I have had on here. And then again, I'm going to go back over it with the dry part of the cloth. And then your final result is this. No more fingerprints or stains. It looks beautiful and a lot more clean. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Subscribe if you're new, and go ahead and watch the next video YouTube has suggested. Bye.